Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add and set up a free VPN in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely powered on and loaded up. Give it a moment to finish booting if you've just turned it on, as you'll want your system to be fully ready before making any changes to your network settings. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu, which is your central hub for customizing and managing your system. From the Settings window that appears, look for and click on Network and Internet. This section controls all your connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and VPN settings. Once you're in the Network and Internet menu, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find various network-related options. Click on VPN to access your VPN configuration area. Under the VPN settings, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your Add a VPN connection button, and clicking it will allow you to configure a new VPN profile. Go ahead and click on it, and a VPN connection settings window will appear with several fields you'll need to fill out. Start by selecting your VPN provider from the first field. If you have multiple VPN setups already configured on your PC, you can select from the list. However, if this is your first time setting up a VPN, the default option will be the built-in VPN client from Windows 11, which works perfectly for most free VPN services. Next, you'll need to add a connection name. This is simply a label that helps you identify this VPN profile, so you can name it something descriptive like Free VPN or VPN Gate. Now, here's where you'll need the server information. In the server name or address field, you'll enter the VPN server address you want to connect to. If the VPN service requires authentication, you'll also need to add a username and password in the respective fields. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on Save to store these settings. Your VPN profile is now created and ready to use. Now, if you're looking for free VPN servers to connect to, open your web browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type in VPN Gate and hit Enter. VPN Gate is a popular service that offers free VPN access from servers located all around the world. You'll see a list of available VPN servers in different locations, complete with their server addresses and IP information. Simply copy the VPN address you want to use and paste it into the server name or address field in your Windows VPN settings that we just configured. And there you have it. You've successfully added and configured a free VPN connection in Windows 11, giving you more privacy and security while browsing online. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.